So today we will see some of the basic concepts of overloading, in which C++ will fail in some cases and will not fail. So it will kind of make a difference in the generality of the C++. It will violate some of the generality of the C++ programming language. So we will create a function print11 and it will take a parameter of integer a and double b. Now what we will do is we will make this same function and it will take a parameter of double a and integer b. So now in C++ integer is converted to double when we are passing it, and double is converted to integer when we are passing it to a function explicitly. But if there are two functions which are having the combination of int double and double int, then it will create an error in C++. So here we can see that this thing works correctly because we are calling the a and b. Now what we will do is we will give b equal to 20, and now it is having integer and integer, and the compiler is confused. So which one to call, which overloading operation, which overloading functions to call. So now we will do is integer b and double a. So now this will also give, yeah, so integer a and double b. So this is okay because it is referring to the second function, double a integer b. Now what we will do is we will do double a double b. Now we are giving the integer, but it is okay. So when there is single function and there are two conflicting things, so it will take the single functions, but if there are double functions and double conflicting things, so it will create an error. So this is it all about today. Thanks for watching.